This a Milan beat. Oh.
Alright, what's good YouTube? We're back again with another tutorial. As always, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. Show some love to the channel. That way the algorithm works in my favor and we can keep pushing these videos out to the people that need them. So with this particular tutorial today, as you can see, we're doing an old Playboi Carti type beat. This one is actually a collab with Steph, produced by Steph, and I'll put his @ name somewhere here on the screen. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop into it. As always, if you wait till the end, I will do a full breakdown showing you guys the VSTs and all the midis and everything like that, and let you guys take a look at everything. So let's go ahead and hop into FL Studio. All right, guys, for the first sound, let's go ahead and run through it. For the first sound, to get that kind of Playboi Carti style and that sound, this is the first melody that I came up with. Well, he actually made all these melodies. I'm sorry. So I did all the drums. He did all the melodies. I added one melody, which was this lead in there, and the rest of the melodies he actually did. So this is the melody that he came up with. All right, so when he sent me this, originally he had a bunch of different Nexus sounds that I didn't have, so I had to replace all these sounds. So I picked out the sounds, he just made the midis essentially. So let's go ahead and hear this second one and layer those two together. So you got the melody and then the pad, and I picked out the sounds like I say, and he went ahead and made these melodies. So I have no idea what it sounded like before I did any of this stuff. All right, pretty cool. Then we got our third sound that we're going to put in there. It's an art. And then we got the fourth melody that he came up with. This one is a bell, so let's go ahead and throw this bell in. Now on that bell, I added some bottom layer notes on that one. He just had like just one little simple melody going up by every few I guess about every bar. But we'll break it all down in the end, and I just added a little something in there. Then let's go ahead and add this last and final sound. This is the melody that I added to it. Try to give it that extra old school Playboi Carti sound. All right, and then again, like I said, I did all the drums, so I'm gonna just play all the drums all at once, so you guys can get to hear what the bounce actually sounds like. All right, now let's throw it all together, and then we will hop into song mode and take a listen. All right, cool. Sounds pretty good. Definitely sounds like that old vibe, that old Playboi Carti vibe, that kind of style. So let's go ahead and hop into song mode, and then I'll go ahead and let you guys hear the whole beat. And as always, you guys that dip out early on the tutorial, I appreciate you guys' love and support. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe on the way out. And for you guys that like to stick around and see all the VSTs and the full breakdown, we'll be doing that next after we play, a portion of this beat. So let's go ahead and see how it's laid out and take a listen.
This a Milan beat.
Guys, and that's it. So let's go ahead and take a listen to the full break, or go ahead and go over that full breakdown. Appreciate you guys that stick around for the full entirety of the beat and the tutorial. So let's go ahead and take a listen to everything, and I'm just gonna solo it out, play it, and then let you guys kind of watch as I click through the stuff. So let's go ahead and take a listen. This tutorial. I hope you learned something. Just brought some nostalgia back with these beats. And yeah, that's about it, man. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. Milan makes beats. If I got it, you'll find me. If I don't, you won't. And that's really about it, guys. We'll be back next week with another tutorial. I'll add Steph's at name somewhere here on the screen again, and you guys go give him a follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that other good stuff as well. Show some love to him. And that's about all we got for this week. We'll be back next week. Peace.